tech pick number 1. We've got Mike here to introduce the bike to you and the rest of the world. So tell us all about it, Mike.
This year for my tech pick, I chose this 2018 Road Glide. The one thing I really like about this bike is it has the Harley-Davidson powered by Rockford Stage 2 audio and the front fairing speakers and the saddlebag lid speakers. Also, it has these kind of custom 10-inch handlebars, a chrome front end kit on there. Also has really cool front and rear custom chrome rims and a heavy breather intake and a full Vance & Hines exhaust system. He's got LED lights on here, and we are going to add some more LED trim lights up front on the windshield. Another neat feature this bike has is actually Legends air ride suspension, so he can lower the bike and set the ride height. And this is my 2022 tech pick of the year.